I'm saying this, but drink up. We may want to stand back. Go get him, boy. What have I done?
Your prayers, Simpson.
Because the schools can't force you like they should. Ma, these new finger razors make hedge trimming as much fun as sitting through church.
You say potato, I say... Well, I say potato too. Does anyone say potato? I mean, really? Who says that? Name one person who says potato. You can't, because no one says it. No one on Earth says potato, so this is a moot point. It's moot. You say potato, I say potato.